Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to Ride Along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and our community. This month, let's celebrate some of the incredible people who make Reynolds Community College a transformative place. First, we're shining a spotlight on our scholarship donors. Thanks to their generosity, lives are being changed every day. Last month, at our 26th annual scholarship luncheon, we celebrated the families, individuals, and organizations who are paving the way for our students. Their support does more than just provide funds. It creates a community of encouragement, inspiration, and success. This past year, we awarded nearly $1.7 million in scholarships, empowering students to reach their goals and unlock their full potential. Together, we're building a brighter future and a better region. To every donor out there, you're a true star. Next, I'd like to highlight some of our outstanding Reynolds students who recently took center stage at the first ever Virginia Government Simulation. 4 students from Professor Melissa Brooks' Paralegal Studies program introduced, debated, and passed mock legislation at our state capitol right here in Richmond. They quickly became the go-to legal experts, even helping students from 4-year universities navigate the language of legislation. This experience offered them a unique chance to develop their networks and career skills while reinforcing the importance of civic engagement, respect, and collaboration. Tamina, Carrie, Ajane, and Penny, we're so proud of you and the example you set for community college students everywhere. Finally, let's give a huge round of applause to 2 remarkable colleagues from our workforce division. At the recent VCCS Higher Ed Conference, hundreds of educators, business leaders, and government representatives came together to discuss the future of workforce development. And we couldn't be prouder of the spotlight shining on our own team. Ava Reddy from the Community College Workforce Alliance received the Chancellor's Award for Outstanding Achievement by a college faculty member, recognizing her leadership in CCWA's healthcare programs, which have grown significantly. Additionally, Anna Knowles received this year's Rising Star Award. In just 18 months at CCWA, she's not only improved response time for students post-pandemic, but also dramatically increased the number of employers and job seekers connected through Network to Work RVA. Congratulations to Ava, Anna, and the entire CCWA team. The work you're doing is changing lives and strengthening our community. As we head into Thanksgiving, I hope everyone finds time for joy, rest, and reflection. Have a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you next month.